Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Oh,
Have you ever noticed this? You feel perfectly fine all day long, but the second your head hits the pillow, that annoying hacking cough begins. It's disruptive, it's frustrating, and sometimes it can even feel a little scary. So what's really going on inside your body when the lights go out? Tonight, let's uncover the 5 hidden reasons why your cough gets so much worse at night. First up, reason number 1, acid reflux. When you lie down flat, it's easier for stomach acid to travel up your esophagus and into your throat. Even a tiny amount can irritate your airway and trigger a cough reflex. You might not even feel the classic heartburn sensation, but that silent reflux could be the culprit behind your nighttime coughing fits. Reason 2 is post-nasal drip. Throughout the day, gravity helps clear mucus from your sinuses. But at night, when you're lying down, that mucus from allergies or a cold can drip down the back of your throat. Your body's natural response is to cough, to clear it out, which is why it often feels worse when you're trying to sleep. Next, reason 3, dry indoor air. Think about it. We use air conditioners in the summer and heaters in the winter. Both of these can seriously dry out the air in your bedroom. This dry air zaps the moisture from your throat and airways, making them sensitive and much more likely to get irritated and trigger a cough. Now for a surprising one. Reason 4, nocturnal asthma. For some people, asthma symptoms are much more prominent at night. This is due to natural changes in our hormones, body temperature, and increased airway inflammation while we sleep. Sometimes a persistent nighttime cough is the only symptom of this type of asthma. And finally, reason 5, your sleeping position. If you sleep flat on your back, you're creating the perfect storm for all the things we just talked about. Gravity allows mucus and acid to pool right where they can cause the most irritation. Simply elevating your head with an extra pillow can make a huge difference for many people by helping everything flow in the right direction. So here's the key takeaway. A nighttime cough isn't just random noise. It's your body's specific reaction to gravity, the air you're breathing, and internal inflammation. It's a signal. Now, it's really important to remember that if your cough lasts for several weeks, if you're coughing up blood, or if it comes with chest pain or shortness of breath, please don't just brush it off. It's crucial to seek medical advice. If this video helped you understand your body a little better, I'd love for you to subscribe for more clear, science-backed health insights that actually make sense. Sleep better, breathe easier, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.